Hello, in this video we'll see the demonstration of 8086 microprocessor kit. This is the ET-8086LCD LCD, which is the advanced LCD version of 8086 microprocessor kit developed by Excel Technologies. This is the 8086 microprocessor IC, and these are the two EEPROMs with a capacity of 128 kilobytes. Then we have 4 RAM ICs with a total capacity of 128 kilobytes. Out of the 128 kilobytes, 64 kilobytes are the battery backup RAM. Then we have the onboard 8259 interrupt IC, then 8253 timer IC, then 8251 for serial communication. Then this is the 9-pin D-type serial connector. Then we have the USB interface for the keyboard, and we are using an IBM compatible keyboard. And then we also have a parallel. So in this interface, we can enter the program in two modes. One is by entering the program in hex mode, and other is by entering the program directly in mnemonics. So first I'll show you how to enter the program in hex. So we press S. The S command starts for substitute memory, input, output and register. When I press enter, it shows me memory. If I want to select the memory, I'll press enter. If I want to see other option, I'll press spacebar. So when I press spacebar, it shows me input output. When I again press spacebar, it shows me register. Again press spacebar, so I return back to the memory option. If I press enter, so it asks, I've entered the memory menu, and it asks for the segment address. Let the segment address be 1000, and let the offset, then it asks for the offset address. Let it be 0100. Now at present at 0100, the data present is 11. Let's say I want to make it AA, so I'll make it AA and press enter. Then in the say I'll enter BB and enter. Let's say the next one I enter CC and press enter. Now the other one I press DD and press enter. So in this way I can enter whatever hex data I want to enter in the memory location as part of my program, which is my program. Okay, this is one way by which we can enter the program. The other way by which I can enter the program is by directly entering the program in mnemonics. So I'll press E, which stands for expand monitor. Then I'll press A, which I symbol. I'll write the starting address, segment address, and I'll press colon, then offset address, and I'll press enter. Now I'm at location 1000:0100. Now I'll write the program MOV space AL, 11. Now this was a 2-byte instruction, so I have moved now to 102. Now I'll write MOV space BL, 22. Now I'll write add space AL, BL. Now I'm at 2006. I'll write MOV 2050, AL. So I'm moving the data of AL into a location 2050. Now I'll write HLT. Enter. So I've entered the program. Now I'll execute it. So I'll press G. I'll press G, enter. Then it shows me burst mode. If I'll press enter, I have selected the burst mode. To see the option, I'll press space. So the other modes are single step, breakpoint, and I have again returned to the burst. And as I want to select the burst mode, I'll press enter. And the segment address was 1000, offset address was 0100, and I'll press enter. So the program has been executed. Now we'll check the result. So I'll press S, enter, memory, yes, segment address, enter. Now I'll write 2050. As you can see, the data at 2050 is 33. I had entered 11 and 22, added them and stored the data at 2050. So in this way we have seen how to write the program in hex as well as in mnemonics, and how to execute the program. Thank you.